So I think a couple of things that you can do as a patient to really ensure that you feel empowered and that you have communicated well, or that you feel that your provider has, that you feel you understand what your provider has said to you. You know, in addition to trying to point out to them that they might be using terms that you don't understand, you can do things like say, okay, when the visit is over, tell them, okay, so I want to make sure that I understand exactly what you told me. So can I just tell you what I think you told me? And then try to go through in a minute or less and summarize what the doctor, what your provider told you. Because that helps you know that you're going on the right path, and that you understand what the issues are with your health. You might understand what the steps are that you need to take to feel, the steps to take for your health care. Other things you should be able to do, you should always feel free to ask questions when you see your provider. I know a lot of providers are very busy and whatnot, but I know that all providers care about their patients. And we would always want to make sure that what we do, or we always want to make sure that we've given our patients an opportunity to speak, and so an opportunity to ask all the questions that they have, so that you feel that everything's been answered. Right. So in addition to sort of summarize the visit, you should also feel free to speak up and ask any questions. And as I said, to make sure to point out to your provider that if they've used any terminology that you don't understand, that you point out to them that's too complex. I don't understand. I think it should be you should make sure that you don't feel ashamed, because there's no need for you to feel shame because your provider may have spoken to you or used terminology that you don't understand. That's not your fault. That's not your problem. I believe that it's our problem as providers and physicians or nurse practitioners or nurses, that we need to use language that our patients understand, so that you guys can really take good care of your health and act on what are the things that you need to do.